Hello friends, today my video is in continuation with triangles and I will be describing different types of triangles based on angles. So please watch my video till the end. Today in my video I will be describing second category based on angles. Angles are classified by angles of triangles. Let's see how. If an angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called as acute angle like this. If an angle is equal to 90 degrees, it is called as right angle, which will look exactly like this. If an angle is greater than 90 degrees, it is called as obtuse angle. This is how it looks like. Similarly, triangles are also classified in same way. Look at the below figure of triangle. In a triangle, the sum of all the three angles is always equal to 180 degrees. So, if we name the angle as A, B and C, we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Please note that side opposite to the greater angle will always be greater, or the other way round, greater angle opposite to side will always be greater. Please see the figure where all the three inside angles A, B and C are acute, that is less than 90 degrees, so it is called as acute angle triangle. Please note that each angle in such type of triangle is always acute. In same fashion, please see the figure where two angles A and C are acute and one angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Such type of triangle are known as right angle triangle. Please note that one angle has to be right angle for the triangle to be a right angle triangle. Now for third kind of triangle, please see the figure where one angle B is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Such type of triangle are called as obtuse angle triangle. Please note that just one or any one angle has to be obtuse angle for the triangle to be a obtuse angle triangle. So today we learned about these three triangles as classified based on angles. To summarize, the basic classification of the triangles as learned so far are: you may check my previous videos for more information about triangle and its sides, and do not forget to subscribe my channel AG Mix. Thanks once again for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more.